What is up, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. And this episode of the Battle of the Dupes, actually this isn't a dupe, this is which one would you rather buy, because I feel like these serums are similar but the ingredient list is not the same. So it's which one would you rather buy. With that being said, in today's video we have the True Serum versus the C-Firma. C-Firma. So True Serum versus C-Firma. 1 ounce of OLE HENRIKSEN's True Serum will run you $49, whereas in 1 ounce of Drunken Elephant C-Firma Day Serum will run you a whopping $88. With that being said, woo! It's looking a little pricey over here, Drunken Elephant. So looking at the ingredient lists, personally the cleanest to me was Drunk Elephant, even though the list of ingredients was longer. I would have gave it to OLE HENRIKSEN because I thought the ingredient list was amazing. However, what threw me off a little bit was the yellow 5 coloring as well as the fragrance at the end. The fragrance is the last ingredient. I don't mind fragrances, and this isn't a clean product. However, most clean beauty brands don't use fragrance. Most don't. So now let's smell both products. We already know Drunken Elephant doesn't have a smell. None of their products are scented at all, but we're going to go ahead and smell what the True Serum smells like. Oh, so it smells like an orange lolly. It's like an orange vitamin C. Y'all know, I don't know, growing up, some of y'all growing up, y'all know them vitamin C tablets your mama or your grandma used to give you. That's what this smells like, one of them orange vitamin C tablets. It smells just like that. Here we go, gearing up for it. Gearing up, y'all, gearing up. Okay, so this is True Serum. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead. There you go. The coloring is not, it looks clear, but it came on orange. So it does have color to me, but this is what it looks like. This is the True Serum. And so we're gonna go ahead and do Drunk Elephant. This one has a color to it too. It's actually a deeper color and it's way thinner. Wow, this is way thinner. So this is Drunk Elephant and this is the True Serum. So I am going to use 3 pumps of the True Serum for now. I may have to add more because y'all know I got a big head, but this is a pretty thin product, so I may not have to add it. I am adding 1 more pump. Well, I'm gonna just add it to my forehead. There we go. Well, maybe 2 more. There we go. So what was that? 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 on the True Serum side, and then we'll do 5 on the other side because I want to make sure I use both products the same way so no one says I'm cheating the system. Y'all know how y'all get in my comment section. I do want to say this. There is a little bit of a tingling sensation. Not tingling, but like the side of my nose is kind of like burning. It's warming a little bit and burning. So yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the let's put Drunk Elephant. So what was it? 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we have it. 5. Okay, 5. There we have it. I don't want to say, no one's in here saying I'm cheating the system. I will say this one look thinner, but it doesn't go on as smoothly as the True Serum, so you will need more product. It's just thicker, which is really interesting. I feel like I need more product, so I'm just gonna add 2 more pumps of it. Yeah, it doesn't go in, it doesn't smooth on like the True Serum. It's a little more of a non-slip product. Like, you won't get as much slip, but I swear the True Serum side of my face is warming. Like, it's warming. Ole Henriksen is warming, and Drunken Elephant isn't doing any of the warming. Before we get into the comparison of the two, I want to say, you know what this Drunken Elephant C-Serum smells like? It smells like echinacea tinctures. Have you guys ever took echinacea or golden seal tinctures and they smell like dirt concocted water, but they will get rid of a cold, but it's the worst? I mean, it smells just like that. Oh my God, it smells like echinacea, y'all. It smells like, oh my God. Anyone, please, if you're in the comment section, I know some of y'all are like, what is she talking about? What is echinacea? Echinacea is a tincture that looks like dirt, water, and then golden seal, and you mix them together. If you have a common cold and you're trying to get rid of it, you mix like 10 or 25 drops of echinacea and golden seal together, and it will get rid of your cold in about a week. But it smells like this serum, and this, oh my God, I want, oh. Okay, you guys, let's do the close-up. So this is Drunk Elephant. Now, I did let it sit on my face for 2 minutes, so it's completely dry. It's very hydrating. Drunk Elephant C-Serum is very hydrating, very moist. It's sticky. It's like a smooth operator, very sticky. It's not sticky, it's like glycerin. So if you guys have ever felt what glycerin feels like, that's what it feels like, very smooth on your face. And this is the Truth Serum. Let me feel the Truth Serum. So the Truth Serum is hydrating, but it's soft. It doesn't give you that glowy look. So this is Drunk Elephant. Can you guys see? And this is the C-Serum. What do you guys think? Here's my chin. Drunk Elephant C-Serum by Ole Henriksen. I keep saying C-Serum is Truth Serum. I'm sorry, Truth Serum by Ole Henriksen. And here is my forehead. Here we go. Let me do a close-up. This is Ole Henriksen, and this is Drunk Elephant. I will say Drunk Elephant is just giving me a bit more texture to my skin, whereas in the C-Serum is not giving me any texture at all. But that's just my skin. I do want to say that the True Serum side of my face is a little bit firmer and much more bouncy. But you know what, you guys? Let's talk about it. Guys, I do want to say this, over time, vitamin C's do work better. So if you are looking for a comparison, this is just a comparison video on textures and what they make your skin feel like and hydration. However, both vitamin C's work better over time. I've heard great things about the True Serum, and I've heard great things about Drunk Elephant C-Firma as well. But I just want to let you guys know, over time they will work better. So that's just a disclaimer. With that being said, if I had a choice of which one I would rather buy, I'm going to go ahead and buy Ole Henriksen True Serum. Even though it's not the cleanest out of the bunch, I do like the fact that there's more elasticity on this side of my face. My cheeks feel much firmer, like really firm and bouncy on this side of my face. Like, my skin just feels really great. Drunk Elephant was really hydrating. I believe over time all Drunk Elephant products will work. Ole Henriksen's True Serum, I really like it better. It didn't give me as much texture. Remember, I did tell you Drunken Elephant's ingredient list was a little bit longer than Ole Henriksen's ingredient list. Well, it was a lot longer, not a little bit. It had way more ingredients in it, and that's nothing wrong with it. With Drunk Elephant, all their ingredients are clean, but Ole Henriksen ingredient list is a little bit easier to read, and I just think it performed much better on my face. So I would be willing to purchase the True Serum by Ole Henriksen again. Also, they do have 3 sizes where you don't have to bundle. If you just want Ole Henriksen, you can get that product and you don't have to bundle. Drunken Elephant, when you do buy their C-Firma, it's $88, but then they have bundles with other other products. And sometimes people just want one product. We don't want a bundle. I mean, bundles are great, but not a lot of people like the bundle. We want one product. Even though they have the yellow coloring, even though they have the fragrance, I don't think, if that's a deterrent for you and you're looking for a little bit more hydration in your C-serums, Drunk Elephant would be perfect for you. But those are just minor details that don't really bother me. I think I would see way better improvement in my skin and much better. My skin will look much better looking. I hope that makes sense. I know I probably said it wrong, so please forgive me. But with that being said, my skin would just look much better, I know, after using Ole Henriksen's Truth Serum. In my opinion, it has a lovely scent. And if you don't want to smell like echinacea and golden seal tinctures, like seriously, you guys, that's what it smells like. Then go ahead and get the Truth Serum. But if you don't mind smelling like echinacea and golden seal tincture, oh my God, it just reminds me of when I was working in childcare or like daycare. And I had to always take golden seal and echinacea, and it is the worst thing to drink, let alone smell. And your C-Serum, I'm just gonna go ahead with Olay because I don't want to smell that. Oh my God, I cannot believe it smells like that. I actually have those two tinctures in my fridge, so I'm like, I know this smell from somewhere. And I looked in the fridge and they were looking at me, and I said, ugh. But it works wonders when you have a cold. I'm telling you now, if you're looking to get rid of a cold real quick, get you some echinacea tincture, golden seal tinctures. They have to be the tinctures, not the tea. You need the tinctures, okay? With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. Let me know down in the comments below, which one do you prefer, Drunken Elephant or Ole Henriksen. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye, you guys.